I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do the leap of faith in Spider-Man 2. To begin, find the tallest building or structure you can. Once you've reached the very top, look down. Then, simply press the L3 button on your controller. This action will immediately initiate a thrilling, head-first dive towards the city streets below. It's a fantastic way to start your journey. Once you're in the air, you have full control over your descent. Use the left stick to steer Spider-Man, guiding him through the urban canyons. If you want to slow down your dive, gently pull back on the left stick. To pick up speed and accelerate your fall, push the left stick forward. Mastering this control is key to a graceful dive. The most crucial part of the leap of faith is the landing. As you approach the ground, or whenever you feel ready, press the X button to seamlessly transition into a web swing. Timing this perfectly ensures a smooth, stylish recovery. Remember to avoid hitting the ground directly. A well-timed web swing is much safer and more impressive. The leap of faith isn't just for show. It's a powerful tool for quick traversal and gaining momentum. It also offers some of the most breathtaking views of the city as you plummet towards the streets. To truly master this move, practice from different heights and locations. Soon, you'll be executing perfect dives and swings like a true superhero.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.